Hello dreamers, and welcome to the Halcyon Starcruiser. That's right, we are on a voyage to Bantu. The 275th anniversary of the Halcyon Starcruiser, as a matter of fact. We're going to take a little trip over the next couple of days and explore all this Starcruiser has to offer. We are already super excited. This is such a cool adventure. It's a lot like our Disney cruises that we take. It's a fully immersive adventure, and we are going to take you along with us.
We get these super cool Galactic Starcruiser magic bands. Look at these.
Aboard, everyone.
Good journey, everyone. Welcome aboard the Halcyon. Come on through right here.
Again, we're currently on the door of our founder, Shugner Board. This is Gavin. He was a little short. He constructed the ship 275 years ago. So right now we're on our 275th anniversary cruise. We're returning to Bantu for the first time since then.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. What? All right, I'm sleeping in the bunk beds. Forget you kids. That's where I'm sleeping. This is awesome.
Victor Jones, that's my name.
That's my name.
Wow, it actually has your name on it?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Hi.
Of course. Is now a good time to discuss your journey?
Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful. My name is D309, the logistics droid of the Halcyon, and I'll be available to you here during your journey.
This room has so many things to see and do. The kids and Tim and I have been like pushing buttons and talking to robots on the screen and climbing in the bunk beds. So excited. This room is amazing. I've never stayed in anything this cool before. Like, we don't even want to leave the room because there's so many things to do right here. But we want to make sure that you guys can see the whole experience in the whole room. So, Tim, take it away. It's room tour time. We are settled in our room and we're getting a little hungry, so we are gonna go head to lunch. They have a buffet on the first day that goes from 1 until 4, and I have heard this buffet is amazing, so we're gonna go check it out.
So this is like a space grilled cheese, and that's like a tomato soup dip. It's like really good.
We just randomly climbed through a door. I'm not kidding, like climbed through a door and we ended up in the engine room. This is so cool.
Imagine harboring resistance sympathizers and aiding the enemy. Why, that would be treason.
For reason, like,
Your name and position, madam?
Lake Monk, cruise director.
How fun. By authority of the First Order, I will be stationed on this ship during your voyage. I will investigate your ship, your crew, your passengers. Does your droid have something to add?
No, they don't. SK, please.
Whatever is happening here, the First Order will end it. Work with us, and you will be rewarded. If you do not cooperate, if you resist, there will be consequences.
Well, after such a rude interruption, I think that we deserve an out of this galaxy send-off. How do you feel about that?
Here is to safe travels, true adventure, and an unforgettable voyage here aboard the Starcruiser Halcyon.
Clink, 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 clink. The stormtroopers boarded our ship along with someone from the First Order, and now they're just wandering around, making sure that we behave ourselves. But as you can see, we're part of the resistance, so we're not gonna behave ourselves. We're coming after you, First Order, coming after you. The whole time that we're here, we can actually interact with our Play Disney.
Welcome back. I
And
have something urgent to show you.
this
Do
guy
you have a moment?
in our room.
Yes.
Oh, good. Let me bring it up.
And it's all audio. Like you talk to her, she can't see you, but
This is a First Order alert. It says, the fugitive Chewbacca has been spotted here aboard the Halcyon.
Awesome.
What is going on? Chewbacca is on my ship, and you didn't think to mention it?
We didn't know.
I didn't know.
Let's forget about who knew what Wookiee and when. What's important is that if the First Order finds Chewbacca, General Hux will be wearing him as a coat.
they have several activities pre-planned for you. One of them is bridge training. So we actually get to go up to the bridge with the captain and learn how to drive the ship.
Loading ops training scenario. Practice crates launched for loader maneuvers.
Alright, so my loaders are going to want to pay attention to the smaller crates as they are worth more. Alright, watch the wheels. There's 30 seconds left on that phone.
Close-a-com.
Thank you, sir. I have to tell you what an honor it has been to work alongside you so closely. I want you to find me that droid. I've got a surprise that just might convince our little astronaut friend to be a bit more cooperative.
Copy that, Lieutenant.
Well done, troopers. Watch, I want you to restore navigation control.
Confirmed. Resuming control.
Troopers, clear the bridge. Everyone you want.
All right.
Just like on a Disney cruise, it's time to eat again. We were talking about this earlier, that this really feels like a Disney cruise. So many aspects of it, from the muster drill to eating to the characters, and yeah, so. But we're ready to eat again, and dinner is gonna be amazing with great food and live entertainment.
Course being prepared for you this evening, right here at your table.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we both try the two.
It's like a small feathered creature. Some people say everything tastes just like it. Does everything taste like chicken?
Yes.
Very similar.
I am loving the colors. So all of the colors are for Gaia, who is our musician tonight, our singer tonight. The colors are in honor of her, which is cool.
Space chicken with the barbecue dipping sauce.
That's a green one.
No, the orange one.
The orange one. Space chicken.
Our coconut curry shrimp with coconut lime foam, nice mild flavor to it. Goes great on top of our fluffy herb rice. Serbat roasted flora featuring the Serbat flavor from Batu, and our Mikuro glazed tip yip tossed with Mikuro bourbon sauce.
Looks amazing.
Thank you. And that looks amazing too.
Good for you, Lieutenant. You know, I myself have risen through the ranks, you might say.
What ranks might those be?
The invisible. I've risen to become my own version of royalty. You might say that I am
The Rockstar Queen.
and I'm about to hold court. Released into the galaxy, a dance was born. Now it's easy to learn and fun to do. You're right, it is slippery there. And we are all gonna do it together.
It was a whirlwind day here at the Galactic Starcruiser. I cannot believe our day is over. I mean, it's been like mind-blowing how many things we've done today. And as our server told us tonight, we are just getting started. So tomorrow we actually go to Batu, and I hear that our adventure actually continues there. So make sure you click that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you then. Bye, love you all. All right, so if you didn't notice, Hunter, minus the headphones, is Ray. She's not wearing the whole outfit right now. She's missing her armbands. Kelly and I are part of the Resistance. Da da da, Resistance. And then Tim is Han Solo, which he totally looks like Han Solo, especially with that jacket.